Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that someone has left me, a person who has disassembled both the turbo solenoid valve and the EGR solenoids, okay, and now he doesn't know how the hoses work. Well, I'll explain. Here, the last one says vac, that is, it would communicate with a vacuum pump. Here we have another one, which says out. This is that would communicate with the turbo actuator or with the EGR actuator. Here, we have another hose, this would be the atmospheric pressure one. In many vehicles it is not visible, because it is covered with a filter. In some vehicles they do not have it in this position, but it has it in the back and you wouldn't see it either. Because they usually all have a filter, okay, precisely, so the dirt doesn't get inside. This is the connector. You see that it doesn't have any major problem. Okay, well,